Welcome. Now we like to introduce the new education policy, some highlights. First point is that through a number of consultation process, we got this. You go through this and you understand, and finally on 2019 7 got the parliamentary standing committee and we got it. The first point, 50% gross enrollment ratio by 2035. Now basic point here is the multiple entry or exit. What does that mean actually? That means so you can take any subject of your own choice. It was not previously. The UG program is 3 to 4 years or 1 to 2 years. But if you continue, see the next point, this PG program. Last point, the 5 years bachelor's or master degree, you need not continue your MPhil, so MPhil will be discontinued. So that is an integrated 5 years bachelor's or master degree, and if you do so, MPhil to be discontinued. Next, credit transfer. It is very interesting aspect of the new policy that if anyone suddenly stop his education, suppose after 1 year out of 3 years course you stop, your credit will be your result will be credit and will be recorded, and when you will come you will be allowed. You need not appear to give the previous exam you cleared. But in this system, it is not possible that anyone who discontinued is generally declared a continuous candidate. But in this policy, if anyone stops, can continue. And this is the model multidisciplinary, very exciting. So if you are a student of IIT, you can also take what is the music in your co-curriculum. So you can take literature, music. So it is a very important aspect to manifest one character, one carat. So you understand. So this is very important thanks to the government that model multidisciplinary education and research university. That means you can take parallelly your co-curriculum of music, and this part is for new part aspect of our life. So last 2 points, credit transfer, so understand, so you can continue after stopping your education. In the credit transfer means if you stop, you can stop now. After some period, if you come, your previous result will be considered. So new part, and the last point already explained, multidisciplinary. So you can take any subjects. Now come to the school parts. It's a higher education. So in higher education, these are already explained the major aspects, that is multidisciplinary and internationalism. So foreign colleges or university also come and exist here or continue their operation in India. National education technology a lot, and virtual lab is a computerized based lab, so one can enroll. So whenever there is computer or computer based school, the last point, equipping school, the digital equipping schools, that means there will be computer, and computer means there will be virtual labs, and e-content in regional language in 8 languages. So this type of software will be developed. So this is the new part, a number of changes have been made for the new generation. Now come to the school level. Let us discuss the school result. The more important part of school level we are coming now. School level is first the it is the universalizations by, so that will be universalization. So all the children or students must be brought under education, national missions or foundation, national mission or foundation literacy and numeracy. It is important. So every student up to class 6 must have these two part, the foundation literacy and the numeracy. They must complete their knowledge on this. The second point, and see no rigid separation. Now you know you are arts, I am science, CS, commerce. Now no separation. You can take a number of multiple choice. So if you take singing, so you will be respected equally. You take the arts, you take the football, you take the economics, you take the physics, you take the whatever subject you take, the multiple choice. So you will be regarded equally. Give a carpentry, it's no problem. Physical education, so every subject, no separation now. Every subject is equally emphasized, and it is education of the gifted children. It is that part that gifted children means there are some 21 types of disabled children. There will be preferred, and 3 to 4% are always very much genius students. They will be preferred, give much more priority. This is the provision for this. And now the next point is that gender inclusion fund, that means it is mainly for the girl students, so this will be provided. And of course the another exciting aspect, that vocational integration from class 6, so up to class 5 there will be numeracy, see the point above, second point, and the literacy. After that their subject will be introduced of the interest from class 6, but till class 5, up to class 6. So after 6, from class 6 vocational education from class 6, so till 5 they will be taught numeracy and literacy, foundation literacy, but from 6. So very good policy. Now more exciting point and is coming, and this part, 5 plus 3 plus means 3 years preparatory. Third point, see, 2 and then 2 years 1 2, that is 5 years, then 3 years plus 3 4 5, then 3 years 6 7 8, then 9 to 12, 4 years. So 3 years, first 5 years already understood. Now come to the point. So this is the important part or aspect already discussed. Now this is the end of this declaration, or end of this. Now see this point. So 5 3 3 4 5, within the first 5 years included the 3 preparatory class. Now see the interesting part. So read this part carefully. This means that there are first 5 years, so class 1 2, then class 3 to 5, then 6 to 8, and finally you see the preparatory class of Bharat will be. So you read this carefully, you understand this. It is given here. And board examination, it is now in weight that such as semester basis, modular basis, all subject beginning with the mathematics. So it will be decided, and result will be very exciting. 3-point result: teacher assessment, self assessment, and peer assessment. Peer means friends will assess. Thank you very much. So the result is teachers, peers and peers. Peers means the friends of the student will assess. And finally, when a student will pass out from the school, he will or she will be expert in one subject. Thank you.